Well, hello. This is JP here with Learn Brizy Page Builder, and we are continuing with our extended series for our Flower Shop landing page tutorial. This is actually a quick extension on Suki, as we had finished the tutorial, I think last week. Let me see the date, August 20th. Now, that's already 2 weeks ago. Suki 1.1 had been released, and there are a few updates that affect our site directly. And if you had created a site and you were to go back now, you would say, hey, I need to make a few changes. There is a lot of WooCommerce integration within this 1.1 update. But in this tutorial, we do not care about that. But we're going to look at those things that affect our current Flower Shop site. Maybe in the future, I can think of doing something regarding WooCommerce, a tutorial on that over there at Websites for Beginners. Let's go over to our website and we log in. And then I show you a few things. Well, let's first go and visit the site. I'm going to Control-Command-Click. And this is how my front end will look at this moment. And this is the problem that appears up here. This is a page title. One of the things that I almost never use, which is ironic because when I started with WordPress many years ago, I used this all the time. But now that we have page builders and they do most of the work, I don't use it anymore. This feature within 1.1 will bring your page title by default back, and there are a few places that you can go to change that. The second thing that we're going to do is now integrated within Suki. Scroll to top. This one that we had used the plugin for, don't need it anymore. We can undo that, we can remove it and use it directly from Suki. Let's go back into WordPress, and the first thing I'm going to show you is the Suki dashboard. Much cleaner. I love it, David. Very good job. I like it. I like it. I love it. Right. So there we go with that. And then if you were to go into your pages, all pages where we have our home page, you're going to click on edit because that's where you're going to disable that page header. And you will see here at the bottom where the settings for the Suki theme is, you go to page header, and then over here, you are going to choose disable, and it will disable it. But what if you never want to use it on any of your pages? Then you go to the customizer, appearance, customize. And from here, now I have to think we are busy. We go to page header over here. Click on that one and you will see over here. If I toggle it off now, it will deactivate the page header or the page title for all sites. So that will be our default setting. I published it up here. Let's go refresh our front end. And scroll to the top. Yep, it's gone, right? So that one is easily solved. Let's jump back into the dashboard because first we want to go into our plugins to disable the scroll to top, install plugins, and then scroll to top ID, going to deactivate that. Then we go back into appearance, customize. This one is in a strange place. It's all the way in the footer. So you go to footer and you will see scroll to top over here, and you enable it, and you've got a lot of options over here. You can see, okay, that one still keeps the original, but that little blue one over there, that is the one that we are going to be working with. So quickly to grab a color, I'm just going to grab my color picker here because I don't have the code. And then I'm going to copy that, Control-Command-C, go to background color. Let me just scroll it so I can see it. And then paste it over here. Perfecto, and publish. Let's go to the front end and let's update that. And hopefully that other scroll to ID is still there. What is going on? Let me go back and see if I did it correctly. Did I deactivate the page scroll to ID? Going to delete it. Take it out. Oh, page scroll to ID. What am I doing? Oh, okay. That is my smooth scrolling. Come on, guys. You're not helpful. Here is my scroll to top. Let's deactivate it. Okay. Sure. Do I feel like a fool now? Well, only for 10 seconds and then you move on, right? And it should be working now. Okay. That's how life goes. And my smooth scrolling is gone now. So if I click here on servants, yeah, okay. I have to go put that one back. But there you go. So you see the scroll to top. There we go. It's now integrated within Suki. There's quite a number of other things also within the Suki theme update for 1.1, but these are two that I think are important for us here with our Flower Shop landing page. Right, so read twice, read thrice, and make sure you understand what you do before you start deactivating and deleting stuff, if that would have made it better, right? Ugh, I feel so embarrassed. That's it. See you in the next tutorial. This is JP here with Brizy Page Builder.